A new paper in the journal Criminology just uncovered a hidden and pretty shocking story in sentencing data.
So let's dive into a really tough puzzle about fairness in our courts.
It's a question that's stumped researchers, mostly because the data on sentence lengths is just all over the place. We know there's a problem, right? But studies on sentence length, they haven't found a consistent racial gap. Well, it turns out the answer might be hiding in plain sight, in a detail almost everyone overlooks.
Think of it this way. It's the gap between the official sentence and the actual time served. So yeah, that total sentence number, it really doesn't tell you the whole story. These researchers dug in using a huge data set, over 24 years of records from Maryland. They were looking for what they called a hidden discount. So who gets it and who doesn't? And this is what's wild. If you only look at total sentences, everything looks pretty even. But when you look at the time people actually serve, the story completely changes. Black defendants serve active sentences that are, on average, 17% longer than comparable white defendants. And for Hispanic defendants, that number jumps to a staggering 33% longer. And that is the hidden discount. The study's big finding, it's not being applied fairly. Okay, so this disparity gets even bigger in certain situations. Let's see where it's at its worst. The biggest gap? It's in cases that go all the way to trial, instead of a plea deal. What does that mean in real terms? Sometimes over 20 months of extra prison time. It's also worst for young minority men. That's where the disadvantage is greatest. But hang on, the story has one more twist. The researchers also looked at how this changes over time. And you can see it right here, that gap. It's actually been shrinking over the last 2 decades.
So things are moving in the right direction, but the study is clear. We are not there yet. It really makes you wonder, if justice is blind, are we even sure we're looking in the right places?